Good morning, class. Yesterday we read about the Sri Lanka and the Belgium. That in Sri Lanka and Belgium, in both country, one community is in majority and one community is in minority. Okay, and the majority country impose their rules and regulation on the minority. That's why the some conflicts are there in the uh, both communism. Both communities. Okay, our next topic is majority region in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka emerged as an independent country in 1948. Okay. In 1948, the Sri Lanka became an independent country. The leader of the Sinhalese community sought to secure dominance over government by virtue of their majority. As a result, the democratically elected government adopted a series of majoritarian measures to establish Sinhala supremacy. As we know that in India also majority system is there. Okay, if any community get the vote in majority, then he or she can that the party can make their government. Like in India, like as in India, in Sri Lanka majority system is there, and in Sri Lanka Sinhalese majority is there. Okay. In 1956, an act was passed to recognize Sinhalese as the only official language, thus disagreeing Tamils. As we know, in India, 22 official languages are there. Okay, and the Indian Constitution the registration give the permission to the 22 languages, but in Sri Lanka, the official language is Sinhalese. That's why the Tamils having the problem with this issue. Okay, in 1956, when the act was passed related to the Sinhalese language, Sinhalese when the Sinhalese announced as an official language, then the Tamils deny for this. The governments followed preferential policies that favored Sinhalese applicants for universities, positions, and government jobs. It means if we want to take any person in government, then the government give preference to the Sinhalese. Okay, a new constitution stipulated that the state shall protect and foster Buddhism. All these government measures, coming one after the one, gradually increased the feeling of alienation among the Sri Lankan Tamils. It means discrimination is there on the behalf of language, on the behalf of religions with the Tamils. Okay, they are in minority. That's why the majoritarian people impose their rules and regulation on the Tamils. They felt that none of the major political parties led by the Buddhist Sinhalese leaders was sensitive to their language and culture. They felt that the constitution and government policies denied them equal political rights, discriminated against them in getting jobs and other opportunities, and ignored their interest. It is true that in Sri Lanka, Tamils were facing discrimination on the behalf of religion and caste. Okay, if any government opportunity is there, the government give preference to the Sinhalese. Okay. As a result, the relations between the Sinhalese and Tamil communities strained over time. That means every time conflict are there between the Sinhalese and the Tamils. Okay, the Sri Lankan Tamil launched parties and struggled for the recognition of Tamil as an official language for regional autonomy and equality of opportunity in securing education and jobs. Okay, and now when the government is giving many facilities to the Sinhalese, then the Tamils also demanding for the many situations, या फिर many rights. Now the Tamils are demanding for the regional autonomy and equally and Tamils as an official language. It means they want that Tamils language also should be there in an official language. Okay, but their demands for more autonomy to province populated by the Tamil was rapidly denied. By 1980s, several political organizations were formed demanding an independent Tamil Eelam in northern and eastern parts of Sri Lanka. It is called also Litte. Okay, Tamil Eelam in northern and eastern parts of Sri Lanka. The district between the two communists turned into widespread conflict. It soon turned into a civil war. Civil war, it means the citizens of the when the citizens of the country start revolt against the another community. Okay. As a result, thousands of people of both the communities have been killed. Like you can take the example in Jat Arakshan. In Jat reservation reservation movement, many people has been died. Okay. Many families were forced to leave the country as refugees, and many more lost their livelihood. You have read in chapter first about Sri Lanka excellent record of economic development, education and health, but the civil war has caused a terrible setback of the social, cultural and economic life of the country. It ended in 2009. As we know that in Sri Lanka is a very good country having a good political, economical and cultural structure. Okay, but the civilian war through the Sri Lanka in last 10 years, 10 to 20 years, because the Sri Lanka faced many losses regarding economy and structure also. Okay, and accommodation in Belgium. The Belgian leaders took a different path. They recognized the existence of regional differences and cultural diversities. Between 1917 and 1993, they amended their constitution 4 times so as to work out of arrangement that would enable everyone to live together within the same countries. It means the Belgium adopted another method to satisfy their public, their majority and minority also. The Belgium gives some powers to the minority also and some power to the majority also. You can take the example of India. Like India, the Indian government divide their powers in different level. Okay, and every level is satisfied for their to their powers, and in Sri Lanka we can say all the powers in the hand of Sinhalese, but in Belgium the Belgium government adopt the another method to satisfy their public. Okay, in Belgium the Belgium government share their powers between the majority and in minority.